Hello students, continue with our personality development and corporate skill class. So start verbal analogy, term number 101. Bivouac is a part of a camp, same as Axis is the part of Alliance. 102. Pineapple is grow in Hawaii, same as orange is grows in Florida. 103. Quicksilver is the synonyms of mercury, same as gold brick is a synonyms of a idler. 104. The ribbon is used to decorate a present, same as icing is decorated to cake. Icing means one type of cream. Now 105. Search is directly connected with a ransack, same as defeat is connected with a vanquish. 106 is a mathematical terms. Here 1/3 is a half of 2/3, same as 60 is a half of 30. 107. Sari, the words connected with the Indian traditional clothing, same as Mexico clothing is sirapi. 108. A femur is located in a thigh, same as fibula is located at calf. 109. Mustang. Mustang is one type of wild horse, same as jaguar is a black cat. 110. Ved is one type of synonyms word of a dev, same as team is meat. અહીંયા આપણે બીજો મતલબ પણ કરી શકીએ રિવર્સ વર્ડ. સી ધ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ અહીંયા MEET આપ્યું છે, એનું આપણે રિવર્સ વર્ડ કર્યું તો શું થઈ ગયું? MEET થઈ ગયું. સેમ એઝ અહીંયા WEDનું રિવર્સ વર્ડ કરશું DEW. 111. Bath is found in a England, same as France is a Louders. 112. See the students, here Roman digit is given. Here V means 5 and X means 10. Here C means 100. Then we find the half of 100 is L. 15 એ રોમન ડિજિટની અંદર L કહેવાય. 113. Ankara is the capital of Turkey, same as ઇરાકનું કેપિટલ છે બાગદાદ. 114. 18th Amendment is dealt with a prohibitions. So the 19th Amendment is connected with a surprise. 115. Dickinson is one type of felt, or you may say one type of a part of poem, same as Dickens is one part of a novel. સ્ટોરીના એક ભાગને ડિકેન્સ કહેવાય છે, જેમ પોએમના એક ભાગને ડિક્સોનસ કેન કહેવાય છે. 116. Felt is directly connected with a cloth, same as smelt is connected with a fish. 117. In that year is given 19,001 is directly connected with a president elected in a McKinley, same as 1865 the president selected as a Lincoln. એટલે કહેવાય છે 1901ની અંદર પ્રેસિડેન્ટ તરીકે સિલેક્ટ થઈ છે MC કિનલે એન્ડ 1865માં પ્રેસિડેન્ટ તરીકે લિંકોન ઇલેક્ટ થયા હતા. 118. બંકર હિલ is the battle site of Revolutionary War, same as a civil war is directly connected with a bull run. Now again one numerical term is 119. 20 is multiplied 12 is 240, same as 180 number get how many connected with a multiple of 12, then 15 multiplied 12 is 180. Question number 120. Ilcid is the military leader from Spain, same as Alexander is the military leader of Macedonia. 120. De Soto was the Spanish navigator, same as Columbus is a Italian अथवा you may say Italy navigators. 120. Iran is firmly connected with Persia, same as Germany connected with Prussia. 123. Swift was known as Cereals, same as Poi is connected with Macabre. 124. Tokyo was known as Edo, same as Sri Lanka known as Ceylons. 125. Here southern writer, the name is Flunkner, same as northern writer, name is Hawthorne. 126. Tuscan is a region or one part of Italy, same as Provençal is one part of France. 127. Freud is the father of psychoanalysis, same as Mendel is the father of genetics. 128. Fuji is the highest mountain of Japan. Kalimanjaro is the highest mountain of Taziranga, Tanzania, or you may say Taziranga. 129. One is dollar connected with a Washington, same as the currency of a Franklin is 100. 130. Van Buren is the 8th president of and 16th president is a Lincoln. 131. Gold Coast, the same name is Ghana, same as Zimbabwe is the Rhodesia. 132. Sheluki is the breed of dog of Egypt, same as Akita is a dog of Japan. 133. Gold symbolize AU, same as silver symbolize AG. 134. Pig is a 8th part of quart, same as gallon is 8th part of pint. Now 135. Dryads is the tree of Nempas, same as Nedias is a famous for water. 136. Pound is a currency of United Kingdom, same as Costa Rica country currency is colon. 137. Xerxes is a past, or you may say ancestral king of Persia, same as Nebuchadnezzar is the king of Babylon. 138. Griffon is the one part of a lion, or you may say body part of lion. Satyr is the body part of goat. 139. Le Corbusier was the French architecture same as Rodin is the French sculpture. 140. Cyclope, one type of creatures have a one eye, same as Argus is the creature have 100 eyes. 141. Dali is connected with a surrealism, same as Brecu is connected with Subism. 142. Nike is the goddess of victory, same as Artemis is the goddess of hunt. 143. Om words is directly connected with Hinduism, same as Ganga is connected with India. 144. Waterloo is one defeat site of Napoleon, same as Appomattox is the general site of Lys. Now 145. Mo is the measurement of minerals, same as Richter is measurement of earthquake. 146. Highest point of United States is McKinley, same as lowest part is Death Valley. 147. Samuel Clemens is connected with a Mark Twain, same as Mary Ann Evan is the writer of George Eliot. 148. Mississippi is the river of Gulf of Mexico, same as Nile is the river of Mediterranean Sea. 149. Crazy House is connected with Sioux, Sam. Cochise is the Apache. Today's last word is 150. Is the Roman word. M means 1,000. L means a 50. C means 100. Then how many is a answer? See, the 1,000 is divided by L means 50. Answer is a 20, same as here. 100 is how many divided, then answer is 20, then 5. It is a V. Thank you, class.